Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So last night as you saw in the video, I put a drop of ball bearing retaining compound here and here to stop the gear drive shafts, the vertical gear drive shafts from slipping down and losing drive, and it seems to work very well. Let's test it. Back and forward. I've added a couple of weights here because this is too light. This chassis has it doesn't have its original weight. It should have a weight that gets clipped under here. So this is the motor compartment, which is generally, there's a kind of plastic container that contains a lead weight, a moulding, and it screws on to there, holding everything in position. Of course this was missing, and so I made my own. You can see it here. I made my own plastic washer here to be able to keep the motor compartment closed, and this here should have a sort of weight holder underneath on the original BB67001 locomotive that this chassis belongs to. So once we get everything assembled, I'll fit some of these adhesive tire weights under here, and I'll also fit them in such a way that the rail car sits straight, because it needs a little bit of extra weight to push down for the plunger type pickups to make contact, and for the other two spring loaded sort of springy copper pickups here to press down on the contact plates on the pickup bogie over there. So this is everything went well according to plan, thanks to the force. The force was with me. Cheerio, and see you next time. I'm doing some work now, some proper work. I'm not paid to do model trains. I'm paid to translate texts. Cheerio.